Hey folks, John from Jigma here. Today, I'm going to guide you through crafting your very own AI chatbot that will assist your customers 24/7. First things first, head on over to jigma.io and sign up. It's a breeze, trust me. Now, once you're in, you'll see a drop-down. Go ahead and select New Chatbot. Think of this as creating a digital training manual for your new round-the-clock AI employee. Got a business plan or an employee handbook? Excellent. Upload those documents here to feed your chatbot some wisdom. And don't worry, manually entering information is also an option. All right, time to give your chatbot a name and personality. For today, I'm cooking up a lively customer service chatbot for a dance studio called Residence. I'm naming it Rhythm Ray and writing instructions for its custom personality to be a cool and fun assistant. Now for some flair. Choose a color scheme that vibes with your brand, set a welcoming message, and decide the text you want to display on the chat button. If you want a safety net, you can enable the option for human assistance. We'll circle back to that. All set? Hit that Create Your Chatbot button and watch the magic happen. Just like that, you've got a custom chatbot ready to engage. Test it out to make sure it's answering just the way you like. You're probably eager to share your new chatbot, right? You can grab a link or even a QR code, and you can easily embed the chatbot into your website. If you're rocking a Wix website, just hop into the custom code section, paste a simple code snippet, and boom, your chatbot is now live. If you're on a different platform, don't sweat it. Head to our docs for step-by-step guides tailored to various website builders. And don't forget, you can monitor your chatbot's performance anytime. There are analytics and even downloadable reports. And for those of you who enabled human assistance, our Chat Manager app is available on both Android and iOS, ready to notify you whenever your bot encounters a question it can't answer. Simply toggle between AI and human modes to jump in and out of conversations. There you have it, folks, a fully customized AI chatbot ready to serve your customers 24/7.